Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Cracking this Java math problem is actually super fast if you know the rules. Let's solve this expression together and find the right answer now.
First, we look at 404 divided by 10. Since these are integers in Java, the decimal part drops away completely, leaving us with exactly 40 as our result.
Next, we take that 40 and multiply it by 10 because we follow the order of operations from left to right. This simple multiplication gives us a total of 400.
Finally, add 1 to the current total. This brings us to 401, making option D the correct choice. Well done! Option D is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust the process and check steps.